Now see this question. In this question, this circuit is given, okay, and we have to find the equivalent R, means equivalent resistance seen by the current source. Here, question is asking the equivalent resistance seen by current source. What it means? Here, it means that we know that voltage across this current source is given Vs and current is Is. So what is resistance? That is equals to V by R, Vs by Is. Okay, so V upon I is the resistance, so this is the equivalent resistance seen by this current source, and we have to find this value Vs upon Is. Okay, so now here this is Vx and this is current Is. Okay, this is voltage dependent current source which depends upon the voltage Vx. So now what is the current in this branch? That is sum of this Is and Vx. So it is equals to Is plus Vx. Now Vx plus Is is equals to the current through this 2 ohm resistance. And what is current through this 2 ohm? It is also equals to V by R, because voltage across this 2 ohm is Vx. So Vx by 2. From this we can write Vx is equals to 2Vx plus 2Is. So on simplifying this we get Vx is equals to minus 2Is. Now we know that voltage across this branch is also equals to Vs. So we can write voltage Vs is equals to, this Vs is equals to the voltage across this, and what is voltage across this? That is equals to the, suppose the total resistance of this branch is 2 plus 1, and what is current across this? Is plus Vx. Okay, that is equals to Vs. We can write it as 2 plus 1 3, and what is Is? Is is Vx. What is Vx? Vx is equals to minus 2Is. So we replace minus 2Is in place of this Vx plus Is. So finally what we get? We get minus minus 3. So Vs by Is is equals to minus 3, that is equals to, so we can say that equivalent resistance is equals to 3 ohm. Okay, so this is the answer of this question. Now see this question that has been asked in GATE 2008. Here this circuit is given and we have to find this voltage VAB. Okay, and this is voltage at node A and this is voltage at node B. See how we can solve this question. Suppose current in this loop is I. Okay, and current here we can assume as I1. So what is I1? We simply apply KVL in this loop, then we get I1 is equals to 5 by 1 plus 1, that is equals to 2.5 ampere. Now apply KVL in this loop. Okay, so on applying KVL in this loop we get 4 VAB is equals to 3I plus I. So we can write 4 VAB is equals to 4I. It means VAB is equals to I. VAB means VA minus VB. Okay, so now to find VAB we can apply KVL in this path. Okay, that is A to B. So VAB means VA minus VB, we have to move from A to B. So while applying the KVL, we have to move from A to B. So on moving, we get first this 1 ohm resistance is encountered, and current through this 1 ohm resistance is I1, and I1 is equals to 2.5 ampere. So we can write 2.5 into 1 plus, now move here, direction of current is like this, that is I. So we can write minus I into 1. So we get 2.5 minus I. So here we get two equations. VAB is equals to 2.5 minus I, and second equation is VAB is equals to I. So we can replace this I with VAB. So it is equals to 2.5 minus VAB. That is equals to 2 VAB is equals to 2.5. So on solving this, we get VAB is equals to 1.25. Okay, 2.5 by 2, that is equals to 1.25. So 1.25 is the answer of this question.
If you got the knowledge and concepts from this video, then please like the video and subscribe the channel. You can give your views and ask any questions related to this topic in comment box. Also share this video with your friends because sharing is caring. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you.